Eli phulo libizwa i-Knitting with Love liyindlela yokugcina abantu abadala benento yokwenza, kodwa yena nto iphambili kukunceda abasebenzi abaphambili kulweni intsholongwane ye-corona.
Wonderful idea, because it started just at the right time. When we'd run out of wool, the shops were closed, we'd knitted up every bit of wool that we had, so it really was great.
Kept us busy. I mean, you're in a different mental stage when you're in lockdown and you can't be with anybody. It does take some people, but being busy with this gave you the thought of the end product that would, would be creating some joy. And that was actually the point that I loved most, is that giving has a cause.
Iminqwazi eliwaka esenikwa abasebenzi kwi-ICU ward kwizibhedlele ezininzi eBhayi. Abantu abakhubazekileyo kwikhaya abagcinwa kuyo eCheshire Home nabantu abangathathi ntweni nabanikwe le minqwazi.
So this is just the first part of what can we do as an organization to enable them to do something for the rest of society and feel purposeful again.
Eli qumrhu i-Eco Foundation lithi lizoqhubeka likhuthaza abantu abadala kubanceda abantu abangathathi ntweni. Ndingilerato Fekisi kwiindaba ze-SABC eBhayi.